2017 SL5 Hilux. AFN color-coded bar to my pearl white. Brent from Auto put that in for me. No lights on it. I want to keep the bar pretty clean. Mickey Thompson MTZs, 265 75 17s on XD series rims. Three-inch Fox heavy duty lift from Phat bars, control arms, Calif road with Phat bars gift drop. UHF, that's on the sports bar, just because I wanted to keep the front end real clean, so there's no UHFs there yet. So that's just on the back. Sliders from Phat bars. Like, share and subscribe to Oz 4x4 Sales. See you guys.